Kwa Henry Muracha, majority leader ya Kisii County Assembly. Nitazungumza Kiswahili. Acha nizungumze watu wangu wanielewe kwanza. Asama ritha nguru kwa Henry Muracha. Jumbo basi Central, boige majority leader ya Kisii County Assembly. Lero ga ntu arige ikarubungari, twabunire bunge mpaka next week. Erigere tonyolera ibaga tuchikumutarire president yaitu ya Kenya ari Nairobi. Ebintu bigotoira Nairobi nebintu bigousikana mwananchi. President tubwate bono iga Kenya neyemo okuruka musike William Ruto. President ndeteyo. Governor neyemo okuruka Simbarati n'abajumbe aba MCA kere ward noyo moyo muroche gaiga na bali nominated kuruchi party cyabo. Egento gegotoira statehouse etokogenda tuchikubwati ebintu chipara egetikia ndege epare yenene kogenda mpaka Kablong Chinyagitari Chaito Cancer Center Chichiro bono muna bono ige chiro ya Nyambera ntwaye tu 350 million president ya promise rie chiro ya daraja 700 million egeti yaitu ye stadium 600 million ebinte bina bitota ite koenda kumubori tumubori ndire lya gocha abilonchi bichake tari ogotebanga nimetenga nimefanya nini eligere tonyore time duration yogocha gokora ebinte ebi negento kende ntagete go clarify chi blog anchire chi asoiro online bagotebanga kero mo MCA oirwa abantu 100 akoira. No, we are not going there now. Ndibwens etokogenda elected leaders kurukera city ward na nominated MCAs bali ba Kisii County na Nyamira boigo ngoenda bali nominated MCAs na elected. So muntu ndibwens yokonya kulike mbeonga atwa abantu 100 kero mo MCA obunobokora morore bune engondi igegento kende nkobatebi statehouse no togochi sengenjo ngwaka na tore tax no mugusi omoske Simbarati igare deputy party leader ye chama ya ODM broad based yeto soete chama yane na inje no ODM und party leader yane ya soete ODM mwaro dire bintu byonsi pipi achire luo Nyanza gochioma bei mate gaiga 2027 neche tobori gunga chama ye mwasoete nkinu mwaretire gusi buna broad base ebintu tokoenda kubori abantu bateba twakorera magoso totachieti kobori bateba twakorera magoso. So as leaders muno muskema sasateba we have to do a decision and the decision to amekiri ko ikatoka ende tubwatia magendero yabana inchi. Asante.
We good? Good morning. My name is Michael Motume. I represent the people of Masige East Ward from Bobasap County here in Kisii County. As members of Kisii County Assembly, we have received an invitation from the head of state, who is the President of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, that the leadership of Kisii County MCAs, both elected and nominated, to pay a courtesy call on him in State House. And we have resolved as a house today that we'll be going there later this week. And our agenda is first, as members of the County Assembly, to thank him for allowing county assemblies in Kenya to have autonomy of their resources. Number two, we are going to extend another appeal and request to him that as much as devolution came into being, the functionality of the office of the MCAs has not been accomplished. And so we are pushing and agitating as the House from Kisii County that the head of state fast tracks and considers the creation of World Development Fund. And this is what will ensure that MCAs deliver on their mandate to their electorates. Equally, as MCAs drawn from Kisii County, we are going to petition the head of state that he considers our welfare in terms of a pension scheme. As you know, MCAs are not entitled to any pension benefits. And so we are going to request him to fast track in his first term in office to ensure that we have a law that also guarantees security in terms of pension to the MCAs of the Republic of Kenya. In extension, as leaders drawn from 45 wards and people of different interest groups, nominated MCAs, will also be demanding or requesting him to consider a few of the stalled projects across Kisii County. And I want to dispel fears that people have out there, especially the keyboard warriors and those who are naysayers that we are not supposed to pay a courtesy call to the head of state. I think that is small thinking. That is not mature politics. We know that this time, the mandate that we were given by the people of Kisii County lasts for 5 years. We are year 3. We have 2 years to go. And as leaders, we have to take leadership roles. I also want to associate myself with one philosopher I like called Jean-Pierre Bourdieu. He's a French philosopher who always says that leadership is dispersed. And everybody, where you are asked to exercise leadership. And so as MCAs of Kisii County, we want to lead our people in the right direction. We are going to the head of state, demanding or requesting development to our region and appreciating the few things he has done. Politics will come at its own time and we will play politics. I thank you.
Kwa majina yangu najulikana kama Manane Richmond Ayori, nawakilisha wodi ya Bogeka ambayo iko katika eneo bunge la Kitutu Chache Kusini. Langu ni kuwahimiza kwamba sisi tumepata mwaliko kutoka kwa rais wa Jamhuri yetu ya Kenya. Naye sisi tukamwambia gavana wetu tuweze kuenda, tulimuomba ruhusa tuweze kuenda pale Ikulu. Kuna maneno mengi ambayo tunaweza enda kuzungumza pale, ambayo maneno ambayo yanahusika na maendeleo, si siasa. La sababu sisi kama kaunti yetu ya Kisii, ni sisi tulipata ugatuzi. Wakati ugatuzi yetu ilikuja devolution, sisi tuliweza kuwa na miradi tofauti tofauti. Na kuna miradi ambayo imekwama. Na hii miradi tusipoenda kwa rais tuzungumze naye, aweze kutueleza sababu ambayo miradi mingine imekwama na tupate jinsi ya kukamilisha hii miradi, tutakuwa tumeketi tu hapa kama watu ambao hatuna mwelekeo. Mkiangalia katika sehemu zote nchi yetu ya Kenya, waangalia hapa katika eneo la Nyanza, watu wamepata maendeleo. Imaanishi ya kwamba sisi tukienda kule Ikulu kuzungumza na rais tunaenda maneno ya siasa. Siasa itafika, tutachapa siasa sisi. Tutaamua ni upande upi ambayo tunaelekea. Lakini kuna cheche na chocha katika ya wale ambayo tunaita mabloga. Tunaweza kuwahimiza ya kwamba sisi hatuwezi kuja kwenu kuwauliza ruhusa ya kuenda kule Ikulu kujadili na rais maneno ya maendeleo. Sisi tumechaguliwa, wengine ambao waliteuliwa kwa upande mwingine wana sababu ambayo wameketi kwenye bunge letu la Kisii. Sisi hatuwezi kamwe kufuata maneno ya bloggers. Sisi tuko na uhuru, tuko na akili timamu ya kuweza kujua ni lipi tunafanya mzuri, lipi tunafanya mbaya. Kwa sababu kuna machangamoto ambazo tunapitia kule kwenye vijiji. Wagonjwa wakipatikana wanakimbia kwenye MCA. Wagonjwa, mama akipata shida yoyote anakimbia kwenye MCA. Sisi tusipoenda kwa rais atuelewe, basi hatutakuwa na kamwe. Kwa hayo sisi tuko kama kwenye kaunti yetu, tuko tayari kama MCAs, tunaenda kujadiliana na rais tuweze kupata maendeleo pande ya kwetu hapa. Asante.
Matiang'i Ismaili matundura mu MCA bogia kumugwod. Buna mwaigure na ende buna rumere iskabwe. Omonene bwense mwashimiwa William Ruto na ariganetie aba MCA gose county leadership which is statehouse. Negento gego to irororo rende twamuire ngango genda torororo buna aba ishimiwa barito chorire na bananchi egento gego to irororo na magendero tunyore iskaiga ntoroche ojumba peimata egavana Ruanga bako gendororo baretira magenderero abantu baitu na intungu na koiburi tore ngaki intukisi sababu nererie kuna bona chipara chito gaiga omuchi oyo bosongo Park Street baka nyanju ari para ntubwati na ende egento kende amangana last mile ndoranyora chi constituency chito une especially kuruga ari sinduete bonchari ari bonchari ntubwate e problem ye getikeri ndege na ende ntotagete kubuna getigire igo buna kiarenge kebe renovated ke nako korani chindege chichinge pia ntubwata mangana machi tutagete togende elinde torre gose president neto echibese echu pia amangana ye chiro ya ito chiro chito gakorosi chiro especially no ankoru ari chiro esinkoru ye chiro yasune kato chiro chide chere boigo amane epara ya ito ekorukuru migori edarachase tutagete interchange aise daracha mbiri si accident chabire chinyinge sana ikiagere pare nabo yawenerete iche egende mpaka daraja moja aga ige accident yetu iko Nyakoba nabo ige para yaito yakeroka yaitira abantu baita bange akeroto kwenda Nairobi ebi nabyo bintu bigotoirororo ntagete gotaiba bagusiba ito nganto bwate mamo chandons ikiagera chikure chigakare emiaka ebere mutu ndorobisi ng'aki togokora etogotiga nto bakorere emeremo ase igo ayataria amang'ana siasa neke 2027 tonyekore naende nintagete ntebie abanto baito ng'a barigereri nore mbo ari boikoyo president goendere yakora amagenderero igo napigwa rigento gegotoirororo na amagenderero naende nintagete nainche ntebe ng'a ntori kogenda na abanainchi mbarengo ote ata wiki koruga iga bugusiye ngima na Nyamira baringe ribusaba igo bona kara bona rumeye eresika bagoteba ng'akero mu MCA nkoirara abantu 100 Kisii tore 71 eye go translate abantu 700 na Nyamira bari go 36 bona abantu 10,000 Ruto none etagwanje ntuge ndoke gotoirororo na magendero twisana semesa ni governor yaito tomotebi tutagete APCD ndobwate cancer center guruga eteneine ndobwate child and Matiang'i tari mata bweteneine ebi nabyo bintu togochikobori na kenderende ekiagera eria aena ne serikali na aena na bagwasiri gochibogere kerase mugusinto nyorete na aroto muboringa gusia tatotageti ebi nabyo togochiororo erinde kagotogeni buya gochimotwa na batogocha korona kitokora Moses niwe na enderende mutokaneria maya kitoko genda biya mono sana.